Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Mr.
Today we are going to do a lesson. I would like somebody to read our objective, please. Marvin, could you read it for us?
Yes. Content objective. Students will be able to determine the main idea and supporting details from context.
Okay, and because we're still learning English, we have a language objectives. Can somebody read that? Oguchi?
Language objective. Students will be able to summarize the main idea of the given text and list at least two supporting details as their evidence.
Very good. Okay, so we're going to be talking about main idea. And I know you might have done main idea last year, but we're going to kind of expand on that, okay? So we're going to do activity 1, okay? Activity 1, I need one person from your partners to come up and grab a bag, please. Marva, Clanice, Priscilla. Okay. Before you open the bags, you have 4 pictures in the back, okay? And they have something in common, okay? So, decide what idea is repeated in the pictures, okay? Decide what the photographer is trying to say with those pictures. Write your ideas on the index card. So, I'm going to do a little model for you, okay? Just because this might be a new concept to you. Okay. Here's my example, okay? What is common in all of these pictures? Let's see. Well, we have an umbrella that doesn't seem to be working in any of these pictures, right? It's inside out, it's not open all the way. So, the topic definitely is umbrellas. What is the photographer trying to say about umbrellas? He's trying to say that umbrellas don't always work in really bad weather. They just don't. Wind, snow, okay? So, my topic, umbrellas. What is the author trying to tell me about umbrellas? Or the photographer? That they don't really work in bad weather. Okay? So, open up your bags. Take out the 4 pictures, lay them on the table. I'm going to be working with Stacy since she doesn't have a partner today.
I love it.
Okay. Alright. So, and let me just put on the other thing so you know what to do. Remember to write your information on the index card. Okay? Okay. Okay, so what do you notice in all these pictures? That's what do you notice? What is in all those pictures? Right? You don't have to name exactly what they are. What is in all of the pictures? Animals. Okay, are they the same animals? No, they're different animals. So what could we say? What they're trying to tell us about different animals? Give me 5. You got it. Write that down. Awesome. Okay. So, you guys have that. Foods? Ice cream. Right? What's this called? An ice cream. Cone. Cone. This is the point. What's this called? Ice cream sandwich. Ice cream cake. Ice cream. So, what do we have here? Ice cream. So, the topic is ice cream. What is the author trying to tell us about ice cream? That ice cream. How are we doing? The topic and what do you notice about it? What is the author trying to tell us about? So, what's in common? What's in common with all these pictures? Drinking water. Why do you think they're drinking water? Okay. What made them drink water? Oh, so what is he? So what the topic is water, right? What is the photographer trying to tell us about water? Ant. Right? What does the ant have? Right? What is he
see how little he can fit in? So think about that. Look at Hansy's hair.
Oh, okay. You got it. You guys are done?
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to go back to my picture for a second. Everyone's finished?
Yes.
Okay. So you guys came up with a topic, what was repeated in all the pictures, right? And then you came up with something about the topic. Stacey, you want to read what we came up with?
Yes.
Go ahead.
The author is trying to tell us that different animals can be together.
Different animals can be together. Ladies? You didn't write yours yet? Okay. Gentlemen, you wrote yours? Let's see what you wrote.
The author tried to say that ice creams are different.
Okay? There are different kinds of ice creams. Good, you got it. You got the idea behind it, okay? You guys are ready? Okay. So, can you just read yours quick?
The topic is about ants,
Uh-huh.
and the photographer is trying to tell us that ants can carry big things.
Perfect. You guys are ready? You need another minute. Okay. Okay. So ants can carry big things, right? They're workers. All right. So who remember? My main idea here was that umbrellas don't work in bad weather. Who could tell me some of the supporting details that would help me come up with that idea? Give me a supporting detail, a detail from the picture. What's happening to the umbrellas?
They're not working.
Give me an example. This one is
Broken.
turn inside out. Good. This one's turned inside out. What about this one?
Can't open.
Can open. So those details in the picture help me to understand the main idea. Okay? And that's what we're going to talk about today. What you came up with is the main idea of those pictures. Okay? So, okay, did everyone understand that? Everyone understood? Got it? Give me a thumbs up if you understood. Thumbs down if you don't. If you don't understand, okay? If you don't understand, okay. So everyone should have, if you understand, everyone should keep their thumbs up. Okay. All right. What is the main idea? What the text is mostly about. What the text is mostly about. The point the author is trying to make in a story or text. So there are clues. We're going to use written pieces of work now. You can find clues that the author tries to give you. One is the title. One is their pictures, if there are any. You could also look at the first or the last sentence. Sometimes the main idea is there, okay? And words that are repeated, like in a topic. Your pictures, ideas were repeated. That's why it was the main idea, okay? You could ask yourself, what is this reading mostly about? What is the topic? What is the author trying to tell us about the topic? Okay. Supporting details. Like my pictures, and I said the umbrella is turned inside out, it's not only open, that's a detail. Okay? So, details help to explain the main idea. They describe it. This is the graphic organizer we're going to use today. What does it look like? A house, right? It looks like a house, right? So, what is a house supported by? No, a house. What is your house supported by? Your house, right? This is kind of like the roof. What is this? What are these?
Doors.
The doors. Doors hold up your house? What holds up your house? Bricks. What are the bricks on, though?
Wall.
Walls. There you go. Okay. So now this is activity number 2. I'm going to do a model for you. Okay? So, there are 8 planets in the solar system. And each one is very different. Oh, sorry. So, I'm sorry. I didn't put a title. This was called the solar system. Right? So, I look at the title. I didn't put a picture here. There's no picture. But I look at the first sentence and the last sentence. Okay? There are 8 planets in the solar system, and each one is very different. Uranus is the coldest, and Venus is the hottest. Okay? Possibly that's the main idea, but I'm not sure yet. Now I need to read the whole text. Okay? There are 8 planets in the solar system, and each one is very different. Some planets, like Jupiter and Saturn, are very large. Others, like Mercury and Mars, are smaller. Jupiter has moons that are larger than Mercury. The planets also have different atmospheres. Uranus, Jupiter, and Saturn have atmospheres of hydrogen and helium. The atmosphere on Venus is made up of carbon dioxide. Earth has a nitrogen and oxygen atmosphere. Neptune's atmosphere is mostly hydrogen. The planets also have different temperatures. Uranus is the coldest and Venus is the hottest. Okay, so I think to myself, what is this mostly about? What point is the author trying to get across to me? So to me, he's trying to tell me how different these planets are. So my topic is planets. What's the author trying to tell me? Planets are different. So here's my graphic organizer. Okay, topic, planets, here's a picture. Main idea, the planets are different. Now I need a supporting detail to help me to support my main idea. Okay, so some planets like Jupiter are very large. Jupiter has moons that are larger than Mercury. I could put that, let's see. I think I'm going to say they have different atmospheres. Okay, so that supports, if I'm saying that they're different, one idea is that they have different atmospheres. Can anybody think of another detail that shows that they are different? They have different colors, okay. Different temperature, excellent. So I would write different temperature here. What was the other detail that talks about the first one? It says one is large, one's smaller. What's the other detail I could put? Yes.
They don't have the same size.
They're all different sizes, right? They don't have the same size. So those are 2 details. Sorry. Those are 2 details I could add here and here. Okay? Temperature, size. Tells me that the planets are different. Okay? Does everyone understand it? So it was all about the planets, the topic. What the author's trying to tell me. Details. Okay. So, activity number 3. You are going to get a piece of text. Okay? You can put those in your bags, the bags away, and your little index card too. Okay? And you are going to identify the main idea and supporting details. Most of you are going to get a graphic organizer. Sorry, some of you are going to get a graphic organizer. Some of you are going to create your own. When you create your own graphic organizer, you want to have something, one thing, that is supported by 3 things. Okay? It could be anything. It could be something in this room. It could be something outside, something that you think of. Miss Cook thought of a house, right? But there's a lot of things that we use and have that need support, right? Okay. So, you guys over here, you're going to read about spiders. You're going to come up with the main idea, and you are going to get a graphic organizer. No. Your name should go on that, though. Okay? Start reading. Okay? If you have any words that you're not sure about, circle them. I will come over and go over it with you. I'll get you started with your graphic organizers, and then I'll bring over your reading material. Okay? If you need a ruler, students arachnids, okay, are spiders. And you're gonna find out what an arachnid is by reading this. Okay? So you're gonna tell me when you're done what an arachnid is. You guys got that word? Arachnid. Think to yourself. I'm going to put up the questions. What is the topic? What word is repeated? What does the author want me to know about that topic? Those are your questions, okay? Yes, you can talk to your Take your time. Think about what's the topic, right? What does the author want you to know about the topic? I hope you don't get confused, because that is a little tricky kind of question, paragraph. Okay. Okay. Instead, they're what? Instead, what are they? So all your details will prove to me what that is. Okay? Stacy? Come back to earth. Ready? Come back to earth. What's this about? So that's the topic. What does the author want us to know about the topic? They're all different. There's different names of spiders? What do we learn? Spiders what? Oh, is that what we learned? So the topic is spiders, and the main idea is that arachnids. Okay, and this told you everything, why it's an arachnid, what it means, right? So now you need to show me what it means. So your main idea, right? And then details to support it. Okay. Let me go check on that. How are we doing? You understand it? Okay. Tell me what you think it's about. Tell me what you think the topic is. Thunderstorms, that's the topic. What does the author want you to know about? So you're lying to me. You know what it's about because you just told me. Okay? Not lying, but you know. Okay? So, go ahead. You got it. And you knew what it's about, and there's the details to support it. Well, I don't know. What's something that has 3 parts to it and is supported in this room? Sure, why not? Okay. What's another thing that isn't maybe in this room? Oh, okay. That's easy enough, right? Anything that that shows support, okay? Anything that shows main idea, 3 ideas supporting. How are we doing? Let's see. Perfect. Perfect. The trap there food from being. Where's that? Show me where that is. Good, okay. Good. Excellent. Okay. Remember, it does not have to be perfection. Don't take so long. Let's go. Just draw it and go. No perfection. You're finished? Let's check it out. Very good. Okay. So now, do you understand? I'll ask you this question when we're done. So, I'll ask you this question when we're done. Okay. I'm not rushing you, but so you write your main idea in your bottom part, and your 3 things to support. So what did you decide to solve? It's okay. What did you decide to do? It's a tree. Oh, it's good. Good. Tree has branches, has parts. Nancy, what did you decide to do? Okay, perfect. All right. That's fine. Good. You're done? So, who can tell me, after reading this, what is an arachnid?
What do main idea mean?
Never heard of that word before, right? But after reading this, it kind of explains what it is, right? So what is an arachnid? Perfect. So it has to have 8 legs. It has to have 2 body parts. What else does it have to do? It shouldn't have. What should it have? It should not have.
It should not have.
You changing your answer? Don't you change your answer? It should not have
Wings.
wings. Good. Okay.
Yes, you did the check.
I have them now. That's fine. I have them now. Because we're running late. Can you pause it? We're just about finished, right? Remember your topic? Okay? That's perfect. Thank you, Miss. Read details. are insects? Do you know the names of other insects? It probably has a different. What's that little thing that bites? What is that? Cockroach. Cockroach? I think they're different. I don't think they're technically insects. But mosquitoes. You know mosquitoes? That bite you and it's all red and itchy. So, they're taking a look at Alright. So, how do we feel about writing the main idea? Check in. Thumbs up. Ladies, how do we feel about writing the main idea? Thumbs up? Okay. So this group, they're finished. So I'm going to have one person read the main idea while you guys are finishing up. And then other people to read the details. So who wants to read the main idea? Go ahead, Stacy.
Spiders are arachnid.
Good. Arachnids. And we learned what an arachnid is, right? Ryan, would you read one detail?
They have a head and 2 bodies.
Good. Priscilla?
Spiders do not have wings like most insects.
Good. And?
Spiders are interesting and right, but some things are not. They aren't scary.
Is that a supporting detail that tells us that they're arachnids?
No.
Okay,
But
so,
I have another one.
okay, so,
Spiders do not have turbid.
what's that? Antennae. Antennae, they don't have antennae. Good, okay. So that's what you should have added, but you're not going to write it because when we make a mistake, we learn from our mistake, okay? That's perfect. Okay? All right. If you want, you can write it underneath to realize that you may have made a mistake, okay? Write it underneath. Okay. Are we ready over here? What was the main idea of your text? Who can read this? Go ahead, Najee.
Knowing what to do and what to not do during a thunderstorm will save your life.
Okay, so topic is thunderstorms, right? What was the main idea? What to do during a thunderstorm. Give me one detail to support it.
Do not use all electrical equipment.
Perfect. Okay, so collect all electrical equipment.
Stay inside for at least 30 minutes after the last roll of thunder is over.
Good. And one more detail to support it.
Go inside a study building or a vehicle and close the windows.
Perfect. Okay? So everyone understands. Main idea, supporting detail. Can I get a check-in? Everyone understand?
Yes.
Perfect. Does everyone know what a main idea is?
Yes.
If I asked you on an exit ticket right now to complete it, you have 3 questions. Okay? If you not using the text, using what we learned, what is the main idea? What are supporting details? Okay? Write your name, please. And this will finish the lesson. What did you remember from the lesson? What is the main idea? Main idea, anything that you remember. Okay? Then the next question says, what are supporting details? And then the final says, name 2 ways. I give you clues. Not using them. 2 clues that tell you how to get the main idea. How do you get to the main idea? Okay? Any definition. Doesn't have to be my exact definition. Put it in your own words. If there's a question you can't answer, you can leave it blank. Okay? I'm going to finish with that. If there's a question you can't answer, you can leave it blank. Okay? That just tells me that I have to practice that with you. Okay? Don't tell each other the answer. This is your exit ticket. sentences that what?